have another carrier round one. We're actually not even that far from the other one. The other one's like right down there. But this is a high efficiency carrier air conditioner. You can see in there. Got the compressor and everything in it. It's really nice. See if we can get any data on it. Looking, I don't see much. I don't really know where the data on these would be. Take my look around. Yeah, I don't see any data, but really cool. Another round one, not even that far proximity from the other one. So, yeah, that's about it. Let's see if I can actually zoom in on the other round one, the heat pump. There it is over there, you can kind of see it. But yeah, that's about it.